Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the SSL protocol error on the Chrome browser. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type Internet Options. Internet options under the best match, simply click on that. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you have the General tab, Security tab, Privacy tab, Content tab, Connections, Programs, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab, which is the fourth tab. And here you'll find this option, Clear SSL State. Click on that. Now it will state the SSL cache was successfully cleared. Click on OK. Then click on the last tab, which is the Advanced tab. Then here, simply scroll down and you will find security, then scroll down and you'll find this option, use SSL 3.0. Make sure to check this box. If this is unchecked in your case, just simply check this box. Also for use TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, and TLS 1.3, simply check all of these boxes. Then you have to click on apply, click on OK. And then make a restart of your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.